AP Chemistry, Unit 3.7, Solutions and Mixtures. So first we're going to talk about molarity. Molarity is our main unit for concentration, and it is utilized for solutions, which again are going to be homogeneous mixtures. Prefix homo means same, and homogeneous mixtures look the same throughout. The equation for molarity is going to be capital M is equal to N over V. So our molarity is going to be equal to the number of moles of our solute divided by the total volume of the solution, specifically in liters. So our units do matter here. We must be moles per liter for our molarity. As a reminder, the solute is whatever you have less of, and it's typically the thing being dissolved. So oftentimes it will be the solid, but the solute doesn't have to be solid. It can be a liquid or even a gas. And so it's just going to be whatever you have less of. And a thing to note is that solute is going to have 6 letters versus the word solvent, which solvent is going to be whatever you have more of. It's the thing that does the dissolving. Typically this is going to be water, but it could be any liquid. And solvent has 7 letters. So solute is literally smaller than solvent, and solute is whatever you have less of versus solvent is what you have more of. So I think that that is useful for memorizing solute versus solvent. For dilutions are going to be prepared by adding water and therefore diluting a more concentrated solution. The equation for dilutions is going to be M1V1 is equal to M2V2, and this relies on the moles of the solute remaining the same. Since molarity times volume is going to give you the moles of the solute, and since those are not changing, you can set these two things equal to each other. An important thing to note is that for ionic compounds, they're going to dissociate into ions when they dissolve. And so an example of calcium chloride here, my calcium chloride solid is going to dissociate into 1 calcium ion and 2 chloride ions, which means that a 1 molar solution of calcium chloride would contain 1 mole of calcium and 2 moles of chloride. So the individual concentration of calcium would be 1 molar for calcium ion and then 2 molar for the chloride ion.